This is a website that I built inside Google AI Studio using Gemini 3 Pro. Now I'm going to convert or clone this website inside WordPress using the Clone2WordPress extension. In order to do that, I'll simply click the extension, and then I will go to the box in the corner here. I'll click inside the box, then click Capture All Contents within the page, and finally click Capture Page. So now Clone2WordPress has captured the entire design of this website. Now I'm going inside my WordPress editor, which is the Gutenberg editor, and paste the design that the Clone2WordPress extension has copied. And now we have the full website here in under just 10 seconds. Yes, in under 10 seconds, we've built a full website. Let's publish it. Now let's see what the website looks like on the front end. Fantastic. This is an exact clone of the website. And as you can see, it is fully mobile responsive, just like the original site. It is also editable, so I can change anything inside here. This heading, for instance, a loving space for happy and healthy pets, can become the home of happy pets. So you can edit anything: texts, images, color, border styles, and so on. Check the comments section for the download link to the Clone2WordPress extension. All right, let me walk you through, step by step, how to install and use the Clone2WordPress extension. The Clone2WordPress Google Chrome extension is a tool that lets you design websites quickly inside WordPress by simply copying and pasting any website that you love on the internet. This helps you cut web design time by at least 90%, speeding up your workflow, letting you serve more clients within a short period, and helping you earn more from web design projects. When you purchase Clone2WordPress, you get to download it as a zip file, which you must extract before installing. To extract, right-click the zip file and click Extract here. This folder is what you will install inside your Chrome browser. To install the extension, go to the top right corner and click the three-dot icon. Then go to Extensions. Click Manage Extensions. If developer mode is toggled off, toggle it on, and then simply drag and drop the extracted Clone2WordPress folder right here, and you'll have it installed. Finally, click Extensions and then pin it. Now that we have it pinned, it is ready to clone or convert any website on the internet into a fully editable WordPress website. But we are not done yet. The Clone2WordPress extension works with the GreenShift page builder. GreenShift is an add-on for the WordPress Gutenberg editor. It is one of the best Gutenberg add-ons within the WordPress ecosystem right now. You can go to Add Plugin, and inside the search box, search for GreenShift. And here it is, GreenShift Animation and Page Builder Blocks. I already have it installed and activated. Install it, activate it, and afterward, you can use your Clone2WordPress extension to copy the design of any website. When you paste it into the Gutenberg editor, it will be rendered as a WordPress website, just as you already saw earlier when I cloned another website. If you cannot or do not want to install the GreenShift plugin from inside WordPress, you can also download it directly from the WordPress plugin repository. After the plugin has been downloaded, go back to your WordPress plugins area, click the Upload button, then drag and drop the downloaded plugin here. Click Install, and then activate it. Since I already have it installed, I'm not going to do that again. Again, note that the GreenShift Page Builder plugin must be installed before you can use the Clone2WordPress extension to clone websites. Now, let's try cloning this Framer website. I'll click the extension, and then select the area I want to copy or clone. I can also capture the entire page at once, but for now, I'll clone section by section. So I will click to copy this section, then come into my WordPress editor and paste it. I'll set it to full width, and then save changes. Now let's look at the cloned website on the front end. As you can see, we have the exact clone, the exact copy of the original Framer website. And that is how you install and use the Clone2WordPress extension to get the best results. Happy cloning the websites you love on the internet, and speed up your design work by using Clone2WordPress.